Hello, ninth standard. Today we have to learn English grammar, and our topic's name is articles. So we are going to see that the use of the articles in the sentences, how they are used. First of all, we are going to see that how many articles are there. Okay, there are 3 articles known to everyone. Okay. And there are 3 articles: A and the. These 3 articles, and they are according to their according to their form and their work, the function. How do they function in fact in the sentence? Because they are classified into 2 kinds, and these kinds are called, one of them is actually indefinite article. So one of the kind is indefinite articles, and indefinite articles are a and these 2. Actually, why they are called indefinite articles? Because they do not actually denote any definite things, definite nouns. So they are called indefinite articles. Okay, and their uses now. We are going to see that first of all the use of a. It is used. A is used before singular common noun. Common noun that begins with consonant. Or the sound of consonant. So from this definition, the idea is clear now. How a is used and where it is used. Look here. It is used before singular common noun that begins with consonant or the sound of consonant. Means the word, in fact, which is not a consonant, which is vowel, but actually it sounds like a consonant. That time also a is used. Actually, it should be singular word. So some examples I am giving you. For example, a boy, a man, a house, a horse, a river, a book, etc. From these examples now we got an idea about the use of the a. How a is used before the singular common noun. These are all common nouns. Okay, and they all begin with consonant. Look here. B, M, H, R, B. These are all consonants and they are singular in form. So A is used before them because you know singular noun, singular common noun actually cannot be used without article. Articles are very important. Without articles, they are not mean. They don't mean anything. So that much these articles are important to mention this common noun. Okay. Another example I am giving you of the same kind of A. Union. Rose. Now these two examples I give you here. What can we get from these examples? What idea we get from these examples? Because these words are singular, no doubt, in form, but actually they begin with vowels. And what are the vowels? U and E are vowels. And as per the rule of English, actually A is not used before vowels, but actually in this noun, this U and E here sounds like consonant. That's why A is used before them. Because when the words, even if they are, they begin with vowels, but they sound like consonant. So A is used before them when they are singular. Okay. So this is the example of A. Now we are going to see that the use of N. These are the same thing, only there is a little difference is there, and that difference actually matters. What is the difference? Use of and. So and is used before the noun, before the singular common noun. Singular common noun. Common noun. Which begins with vowel or sound of vowel. Look here, we can see that in the definition what is written, and is used before the singular common noun which begins with vowel or sound of vowel. Now even if the word is not actually beginning with an vowel, but actually it sounds like an vowel. Okay, so that time also an is used before it, even if it begins with consonant, but it sounds like an vowel. So some examples I am going to give you. An elephant. An egg. An apple. An umbrella. Etc. So look here, in this all examples we notice one thing clearly, that all these words beginning with vowel. See here, E, A and U. Okay. So that note also we are going to write that. What is the note? So which are the vowels now? vowels. Now look, these are A, E, I, O, U. So these are all vowels. Now any word which begins with any of them has an before it when it is in singular form. Okay, so that's clear. And even if the word begins with a consonant but it sounds like a vowel, so it takes an before it in the singular form. So this is also actually, what is it? I am going to write that also. I gave you this also. Look here in the definition you can find that. And is used before the singular common noun which begins with vowel or sound of vowel. Now, more examples I am going to give you a little more. For example, an honest, an honest, okay. Now these two examples clear the idea that look here, age in the both the sentence, both the words in fact begin with H, and H is consonant. You know that very well, but actually here it sounds like an vowel. So an is taken before it. Okay, an R and an honest. So such a way an is used. Okay, that is also used also very important, as we have told that no common noun, no division, no singular common noun. Singular common noun mentioned no singular common noun mentioned without an article. Look, it takes a or an according to the form, according to the structure of the word, as we have seen right now. If it begins with consonant and it is singular noun, it takes a before it. So without that we cannot mention it. Anything, no matter, like a banana, okay, any fruit's name which begins with consonant, any book's name, any pen, pencil, whatever it is, they are not mentioned without common noun if they are in singular form. That is a strict rule of English. Okay, so look here, and if they begin with vowels, so they take an before it when they are in singular form, as we have seen them here in the examples. Okay, so this idea clear to you? So we are going to move to the another article, and that is called the definite article. And definite article is the. Number 2, definite article. Okay, definite article the. Now use of the noun. Actually, why it is called definite? Because it denotes definite or particular thing, particular noun or particular thing. So it is called definite article, right? When we emphasize something, when we give the emphasis on any noun or trace, or it is used double, that time also that word takes the before it. Okay. First of all, now we are going to see the examples. Oceans before the names of oceans and seas. Like for example, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific, Ocean, the Atlantic, the Arabian Sea, the Dead Sea, etc. Now look here, before the names of the oceans and the sea, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Dead Sea. Means what they denote? The particular and the definite names, nouns. So the is used before them. Another thing is that so before the names of institute also. Before the names of institute. And banks. Before the names of institute and banks. Look here. The agriculture department, the Institute of Science, the Institute of Science, the Bank of Baroda. Look, these are the names I am mentioning here. So these are the names I gave you in short, so you can get an idea now. If you see the before the names of these institutes or the banks, then you can understand that the particularity or the that institutes, big institutes are big banks. So the is taken before their names. Okay. Now we are going to see another rule of the. We are going to finish this after giving some examples. Now the is used before particular noun. Now for example I am going to give you I study the history of Maharashtra the history of Maharashtra. Now look here. I studied the history of Maharashtra. So here also the particularity of this noun, history of Maharashtra. Okay, the is used before it. It is used before the common noun also, but when it is emphasized, when that name is emphasized, that time the is used. For example, he says the man who stole his purse or wallet. Look here in this sentence. Here the is used before common noun man. Why it is so? Because sometimes it is given that is the particularity. The particular man he was chasing, not common man. Because the man who stole his wallet became the particular one. So he was chasing that particular person. So showing that particularity, the is used before this common noun man. So such a way, the is used in such before the common nouns also. People, save the child from drowning. Here also the is used before the child. Child is actually the common noun, but the is used. What does that show? It's clear indication that it shows the particular child, not that. The child which was who was drowning. So that child people saved. So such a way the is used before the common nouns also. In this case, another thing is that one important note I am going to give you about the when the is not used. Note, okay. The is not used before proper noun. This is a very important rule. The is not used before proper noun. Got it? But when a proper noun is added to some of the institutes or organization, then the is used. Okay? What is that? Exceptional. What is that? For example, the Kalyan Janata Sahkari Bank. In fact, here you can see clearly that the Kalyan is a proper noun. Okay, but the is used before it. Why? Because this is actually the name of the organization. So that particular organization is shown by using the before it. So in this case, the is used before the proper noun also if that proper noun is added to the organization or institute. This is the actually important note. So that's it. What I am going to tell you that the is used in the when the word is repeated, even if it is common noun or begins with the vowel, but when it is repeated, the is used before it. For example, look here. When the word is repeated, noun is repeated. The is used. For example, one example I am going to give you. I saw an owl. Okay? I saw an owl because look here, owl begins with O. This is an owl. Okay? So an is taken here because it is singular. I saw single owl. So I saw an owl. Okay? But when the same word is repeated, that time the is taken. Okay? To show its particularity. That particular owl. The owl was sitting on the roof. House roof. You can see that now here in the same sentence. One time when it is actually used, it is not repeated. That time an is taken because it begins with vowel, right? O, and it is singular. So an is taken before O. But in the second sentence, which actually it is adjoining sentence, the is taken before it. Why? Because the vowel is repeated, and that particular vowel, showing the particular vowel, the is used before this word, this noun vowel. Okay? So that way. So your homework is you have to find out some sentences having articles, all three articles, and send it on my number. That's it.